Hi everybody, it's Pepe, and today I'm going to share with you the Gourmia Food Station Smokeless Indoor and Outdoor Grill. It basically just plugs into an outlet over here, see? And it can fit right on your countertop next to your oven. This comes with a handy recipe book, so you literally could just do any of these recipes. And in the back it tells you exactly what settings to do with whatever, if it's air frying or anything. And it comes with a pan, a frying pan, like this. Flat, and you can just do like pancakes. And I'm gonna do cookies today. So I'm gonna turn it on bake for 350. Hit the start button. It preheats, and then I wait. And then also, if I wanted to air fry, it has an air frying pan. I've made some delicious air fried vegetables and mushrooms and all sorts of delicious things. Also comes with this grill. This is to make hamburgers and other meat things on it, or if you wanted to grill sausages, whatever you want. It's super convenient. It's super small. I can move it to the backyard for summer barbecues, or I can just cook inside the house. But it's smokeless, so it's supposed to be healthier than just grilling on a barbecue. So if you're into like smokeless grills, I really highly recommend this Gourmia food station because it's super convenient and it makes salmon in like 10 minutes. It also comes with this. Basically, you put this thermometer in your food, you link it up on the side. Once your food is cooked, it will know and the machine will shut off and stop cooking. So it really helps you not overheat or overcook your food. So I'm gonna make these chocolate chip cookies with my Gourmia, and I'm excited to see how they go. Right now we're still preheating. So we're just preheating right now, but yeah, I really like that there's a big handle here. It's made of glass right there. All of this is stainless steel. This is non-stick and smokeless. There we go. Okay, let's see how these cookies turned out. Chocolate chip cookies, delicious. So excited.